Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making a very special recipe. This is not jollof rice and beans. This is rice and beans special, like special kind of recipe. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and don't forget to always leave your comment and share the video. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. To my OGs, thank you guys for always coming back to support me. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get started. Guys, this recipe is for queens and kings. Like, this is not just anyhow recipe. This is a special recipe, okay? And I know you're going to try it because you're a queen and you're a king. I know you're going to try it. So here are my ingredients. This is my beef. I've already washed and sliced this beef. And this is my bell pepper. I'm using the three bell peppers, the red, the green, and the yellow bell pepper. And I have my minced ginger and garlic. It's not optional, okay? Don't skip it. So here is my onions. I'm using lots of onions for this recipe. Onions, please stay away, okay? Just do you. So here is my fresh tomatoes. You can use tomato paste, but I chose the fresh tomatoes. So here I have ginger, I have pepper, chili pepper, and tatashi roughly blended together. And then this my cooked rice and beans. This rice and beans is already cooked till it's already cooked, okay? It's cooked. So now we are going to start now to season the beef. So you can season your beef with any seasoning of your choice, okay? But I'm going to be showing you what I use to season mine. So first I'll be adding in my curry powder. Curry powder, yeah, is optional. If you don't want, you can just skip it. And then I will go in with my seasoning cube. I'm using the ordinary Maggi cube. So here is my seasoning cube. This is Maggi cube. And then I'll add in oregano. Then I'm going to add in a little bit of oil just to lock up all the ingredients, okay? And I'm going to use my spoon now to mix everything together. Guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, okay? Subscribe. If you're a lover of good food, then this is the best place for you. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so that you don't get to miss out from any of our amazing recipes. So now that I'm done mixing, I'm going to heat up my oil for frying. So you can choose to deep fry this beef, but I'm not going to be deep frying my own. I'm just adding a little oil, okay, to fry the beef. Now that the oil is hot enough to accept our beef, I'm going to be adding in the seasoned beef. You can, if you have time, you can just allow it to marinate for like 30 to 40 minutes, okay? But because I do not have time, so I'm just going ahead to fry my own. It still came out very tasty, okay? So I'm going to fry this until it is perfectly fried. So guys, our beef is perfectly fried now. As you can see, the color have changed and it's already looking so yummy. So now I'm just going to take it out from the oil. Guys, if you have watched me up to now and you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, okay? Please subscribe, like this video, and don't forget to share the video. Please help me to share my video, okay? So I'll go ahead now to start making our sauce for the rice and beans. I'm just going to add in all of that onions, and then I'm going to stir this. Guys, I didn't know I didn't remove all the meat. It was at the process of stirring these onions I saw that I didn't remove the beef. So I'm going to be adding in my minced ginger and garlic. I'm not going to add in curry powder anymore to this sauce because already I've added curry powder when I was seasoning the beef. So I'm going to remove that beef. And then I'm going to be adding in my oregano. Okay, I love to add in my spices directly in the oil. Okay, like it enhances the flavor of your meal. Okay, if you have not been doing this, please start doing it. You're going to love it. I'm going to fry this, okay, and I'm going to fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Our onions is fried now. I'll be adding in my pepper mix. So I'm going to stir this now, and then I will cover the pot and allow this to fry for a few more minutes, okay? So guys, our pepper have fried now. Look how delicious this is already looking like. And guys, let me tell you the aroma that is coming out from this kitchen right now. It's not something you just want to imagine. I want you to try out this recipe. You will love it. You're going to enjoy this. Okay, just try it out. I bet you're going to love it. So now I'll be adding in my chopped tomatoes. And then I will go in now with my curry leaf. I've already washed this curry leaf. I didn't introduce this curry leaf earlier. Sorry, I forgot. So I'm using curry leaf. I'll be adding in my seasoning cube now. And then I'm going to mix this together, okay, to combine everything together. Then I will cover the pot and allow the tomatoes to fry. Guys, have you subscribed to my channel? Have you liked this video? Have you don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video. Have you shared the video? Have you? Please share the video, okay? Like this video and subscribe. So now we are going to cover the pot and allow this tomato to fry. And our tomatoes is fried now. I'm going to be adding in my bell pepper. And then I will add in the beef. I'm going to stir all of this together. Then I will cover this pot, allow this to fry on high heat. High heat because I don't want the bell peppers to, like, I don't want it to overcook, okay? I'm frying this on high heat for a minute, okay? A minute or two. So a minute later, our sauce is ready. Guys, look how yummy this sauce is already looking like. Like, you can actually use this sauce like this to eat your white rice, okay? Like, it's good for white rice, just like this. But then that is not the aim, okay? We are going to be mixing in our cooked rice and beans in it. So I'm just going to mix all of this together, okay, so that the sauce and the rice can marry each other very well. And then I'm going to cover this pot and I will allow this to cook for 2 minutes, okay, like 2 minutes, so that the sauce can enter into the rice very well. And 2 minutes later, our rice is ready. Guys, this is so yummy, this is so delicious. Look how delicious this rice is looking like. Let me know in the comment section if you be trying out this recipe. In fact, you have to try this recipe out, okay? It's not an option, it's a must. I want you to try out this recipe, you're going to love it. This is so yummy, like so delicious. Thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to do other good stuff. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave your comment for me, and please help me to share this video, okay? Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.